Hi, my name is Tabby. Today I will be doing a review on the W Skin Aquafacial at-home device. Now, I was sent this to me and was told to try it and give my honest review. I just tried it now and put on my makeup. I have no foundation on, and I will pretty much go into what comes with the device, a demonstration, and my general thoughts and review. Now, if you guys don't know what a Aqua facial or hydrofacial is, it's basically a facial treatment that creates a vortex suction, exfoliation, and then hydration system. And so overall it creates a hydrated skin that is able to absorb moisture better. It helps decrease pore size. It also helps with plumping and also fine lines and wrinkles. So the benefits are so many. Just to preface this, I also have done professional hydrofacial before. I got it done last year and it was around the 250-ish mark, and it was really amazing. The suction was great. I felt like my skin was hydrated, and overall my problematic skin is my blackheads, so my blackheads were cleared, and so I was very, very happy with the results. However, I haven't gone since because of the price, and spending that much money often isn't something that I want to do right now, and so having this device actually has been helpful for me. But I'm not going to get into the review. All right, let's get started with the video. Hello my friends. Unfortunately, my microphone decided to die on me when I was filming this first impression and first tutorial of the hydrofacial. So that's why it looks like this is a foreign video and my voice is not aligning with my lips. So please bear with me. I wanted to keep this film because I wanted to show you my skin the very first time I used this hydrofacial, before and after. So thank you again for your patience, and let's get started with the tutorial. Alright, time for the close-up. So as you can see, my face has freckles and hyperpigmentation, and also I have a little slight bumps, and my pores are a little bit bigger. You can't see them very well, but I do have blackheads on my nose. Sorry for the unfocus. And then I also have little fine wrinkles on my forehead, but I am pretty content with my skin at the moment. This Aquafacial also comes with a solution, and what I really like about this Aquafacial solution is it has ingredients that I recognize, like papaya extract, raspberry ketone, peppermint oil, and so forth. There are two chambers. One chamber is for the dirty solution, and the other side is for the Aquafacial solution. After fully charging your device, take off the bottom cover, and it says to simply add 10 milliliters of Aquafacial solution into the solution bottle of the device. In the user manual, it says to start with a large cleaning tip, which is pretty easy to change on and off, and energy level 2 for the forehead and eyebrows. So I did that first. Begin with green mode and blue mode for exfoliation, removing excess sebum and dead skin cells. They suggest using the medium cleansing tip and use it first. Press the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the device. Green mode is for general cleansing, and it's used for your cheek and around the eyes, but not too close. blue light is for pore cleansing, and that's for your forehead. When using it, glide it in a linear motion across the area and do not stay in the same spot for more than 3 seconds. I did find on my forehead, since it's not like a flat plane, it's a little circular shaped, it was a little bit harder to get a clear suction on it, but I did find the suction to work very well, as you can see with the redness on my forehead, which goes away very quickly. Then onto the other side. As far as this solution coming out of the device, it just comes out as you suction and move. Just a little warning, if you turn the device sideways, it starts beeping and making a noise. I was a little alarmed by that, but that's awesome because, you know, it's giving you warning not to turn it sideways, but to hold it upright. Onto the cheek. Now I need a medium cleaning tip for that, and energy level 1. One thing that you can see that I didn't do on my cheek is that I was supposed to hold the skin taut, but it worked fine, and you can see I have minimal redness as well. After I finished the second side of my cheek, I realized the solution ran out. So 10 milliliters of dirty solution is in the canister, and that wasn't enough to do my whole face. I had a hard time getting it to focus, but in the solution there was like blackheads and dirtiness and skin dead flakes in it. So that was reassuring to know it was working. Next, I just have to finish up the eye area, nose, chin, including the jawline, with the small cleansing tip, energy level 3, which is red. And for your viewing pleasure, you may see my nose being suctioned and looking really awkward. However, the suction with the energy level 3 worked really well, and that is my problematic area with the blackheads. I found that it actually did a decent job, considering it wasn't professional, and yeah, the suction, as you can see, is pretty good. And that completes my Hydrafacial at home. Now, here is the solution again. As you can see, it's foggy with stuff in it, but you probably don't want to see all the details. And my face looks a little dewy, a little moisturized with the cleansing product. You do need to wipe it off when you're done. Onto the close-up again. Now, on first glance, I actually thought it looked dewier, which was probably the solution, but I can't see anything like considerably like a huge change. Maybe a little bit of less blackheads. Everything else looks the same, just more moisturized. And of course, you're not gonna get results on the first try. So you do need to repeat this, and I will be doing this for every week until I can share my results. Okay guys, so I wanted you guys to get an idea from the demonstration of what your thoughts were. Obviously you can't get the results like immediately because I only used it once, but from quick glance and then also like looking at my skin, I did notice it looks smoother, and also I had less blackheads, which is cool. And I was also able to see sorry if this is gross, but my blackheads in the dirty solution. So that was really cool. Overall, I do like the device. There are some cons, so I'm going to focus on the pros and then tell you what the cons are. So the pros are that it is financially like good because you don't have to go to the professional spa all the time. I wouldn't say not go, I would say definitely go, but in between you can use this device at home. Second, it's very, very user-friendly. Third, the instructions are really thorough and like tell you exactly what to do. Fourth, I would say I really like the packaging. It's very substantial. It looks good on my white marble counter in my bathroom. I really like the USB charging capabilities. And overall, I'm really excited to try the device a few more times to let you guys know the results. I will put it in future vlogs. Okay, so I just came back and I actually wanted to clean out the filter, and I wanted to try it out, and I tried this Hydrafacial on my arm, and this thing really works. It was clear water on this side, and on this side you can see all my dry skin from my arm, and you can see like a lot of floating like dry skin particles which the suction on your arm is like way better. But anyways, yeah, I just want to check in. Oh, I just wanted to give you guys an update that I did the Hydrafacial on my arm just to see how like much dead skin came off, and I did it on my arm and hands, and there's so much floating dead skin. So I will say that it does work pretty great on getting dead skin off. But the cons are that you do have to buy more solution, and you also have to buy more filters, so it is an ongoing investment, but that's something for your skin that's worth investing in. Second, I would say that I didn't like how fast the solution ran out. I did my facial in less than 10 minutes and the solution was pretty much gone. And then, oh hi honey. Oh, hey, baby. And then lastly, I would say the con would be, I think that's it, really. So it is a very convenient at-home hydrofacial device, and it's great to do weekly if you have oily skin. You can do it every 2 weeks if you have dry to sensitive skin. But I don't know the long-term effects, but I will let you guys know the long-term effects for the Hydrafacial. But overall, I had a very pleasant experience. It took less than 10 minutes to do my at-home facial, and I am pleasantly surprised. So if you guys have any questions on the W Skin Aqua Facial, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. I'll leave all the information and the discount code for you guys in the description box. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!